The Supreme Court's refusal to stay the entire Waqf Amendment Act 2025 has sparked widespread disappointment among Muslim groups. The All India Muslim Personal Law Board has called the verdict incomplete and unsatisfactory, vowing to continue nationwide protests. While the court did suspend some provisions, like the 5-year practice requirement to declare a Waqf, and limits on non-Muslim members in Waqf boards, it upheld other contentious parts, including the abolition of Waqf by user. Leaders like Maulana Mahmood Madani have strongly criticized this, warning that it undermines centuries-old practices and threatens the rights of India's Muslim community. With over 4 lakh Waqf properties at stake, mosques, graveyards, and community lands, the debate is far from over. The Save Waqf campaign continues, building momentum toward a massive rally in Delhi this November, as Muslim organizations push for the complete repeal of the Act and protection of religious freedoms.